Hello, I'm James Portman with Zachos Realty Design in Sarasota, Florida. Since 2010, I've been a licensed full-time realtor in the Sarasota, Florida area, and in 2016, I received my GRI, or Graduate Realtor Institute Professional Designation. I'd like to tell you about the One Watergate condominium building that is located across the street from the downtown Sarasota Bayfront. It's an 18-story, 190-foot tall building that was built in 1974. One of the unique things about the building is that the architect, Marshall L. Novak from Dade City, incorporated some of the mature oak trees into the grounds so that today there's a lush green landscape around the building. In 2017, the entire exterior of the building was redone, where they added impact glass windows and sliders, as well as glass balcony railings, and the entire building was painted a new fresh coat of white paint. The One Watergate is a sophisticated Sarasota landmark whose renovations of their common areas make it a refined and contemporary alternative to the newer, much more expensive surrounding buildings. As for the lifestyle the residents enjoy, they like the fact that they can walk next door to the Ritz-Carlton and dine at the upscale and elegant Jack Dusty, or they can walk the other way next door to the Westin rooftop bar and grill and enjoy spectacular views of downtown Sarasota and the bay and the bridge. Just across the street is the Bayfront Park, where residents can dine at the upscale Marina Jack, or also the more casual O'Leary's Tiki Bar. And then also within walking distance is downtown Main Street and the Bayfront Park and Selby Gardens. Residents can also bike over the Ringling Bridge to St. Armand's Circle for dining and shopping, and a little further down to Lido Beach for a swim. So if you have any questions about real estate or interior design, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.